want to be told.
We will focus on condenser fan problems in another video. We will show situation 2 in this video. Situation 2. The compressor is not running. The condenser fan is not running.
Remember to subscribe and hit the bell notification.
By this test, if this tube is hot, while the other tube is not hot, the condenser fan is working if the fan turns. There are 3 possibilities. We will focus on condenser fan problems in another video. We will show situation 2 in this video. Situation 2. The compressor is not running and the condenser fan is not running. And there's a resistance. See this one? It is a
Move the fan motor.
So it is not this section that is the problem. We can trace to the control box to see why it failed to deliver electricity. But you may not have the time to do this, or you may not want to if you already ordered a new refrigerator. In that case, I will show you our first short circuit to make the refrigerator running again in 2 minutes. The idea is to connect these 2 wires directly to the AC power. First, we need to make sure the white wire is the neutral wire. Connect 1 meter probe to the socket on the connector for the white wire, the other probe to the neutral pole of the plug. It is conducting, so the white wire is neutral. We plug the refrigerator's plug into the power strip. For safety, the power strip's plug is not plugged in while I'm doing it.
Okay.
Hi guys, what I'm going to help you do today is troubleshoot your refrigerator that's not getting cold. Now this is going to apply mainly to top freezer refrigerators
This is the one we saw, but I can scroll past that. Okay, so there's the top. Yeah, we already looked at all that, so okay, so let's scroll to where it goes down to the back. Okay, come on, take it down to the back.
See, this is the evaporator fan up here. This big fan, right? The evaporator.
Oops. Okay, oops. There we go.
Either runs when you need your new relay or compressor. So luckily I saw that clip.
Oh, that's
what a lot of people do in 5 minutes.
Yeah, well,
So you could ask him, like, hey, what would something like that, if I paid for the fan, who would you charge me to fix that? And he might have said $25, just because he'd have been in and out in an hour.
Yeah.
Wouldn't even been an hour.
I called
for $25, I'd have been like, here, just to save me the hassle.
Yeah, exactly. So
just saying, like, and then you can call me right away.
And
if I don't answer, it's because I'm either on my stilts, got things mud knife in my hand, and then when I saw you call, it was 10 o'clock at night till I was getting home, and I'm just super busy right now.
The trunk is full of water. Why so much water? Yeah, well, that's all flooded. Yeah, well, it's close. You need to drink them all in one day. Yeah, they'll just time me. They need to get some oh, they do, yeah, because Taco Bell, yeah, it's just wake up. Yeah, exactly. But the new fridge is